tobase gotigo mwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke se serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa kurwe se serikali ese motokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichionsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma talire ase website www.burabutti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Uya kema mwancho murigali chinsa ni nyashele tukaliga alia lero litko komi na gatatu lyo mutenyo kabere omwaka wechirwa na 2025 ekene kyonga ijuma chinsa nya senjira yobo kirano njeni ngoro kwaro no toto nyangiri nigo tokubwateranere eso Wilson Makoli kurwa sensemo yebi manyerelio na mwancho murigali kyonga chinsa inya nigo tokochakali mulio gakorwa ase bunge ya Nyalibali Chache county ya Kisii asemo asiri bwechinguru cyomulero gose energy and petroleum umazike obi wandanyi nyaraka bagago chakia umurobulyo uboko yanake abuna estima gose chinguru cyomulero ngwege kwakire ase ebinyoro ao ime yebunge ya Nyalibali Chache bakwana ase umurobulyo nyaka bakoleka ase chinsemo chia Itumbe gose ase ward ya Kiogoro ni wanyaga bakubolia serikali yo murabwense musikubira muruto agende kubwatesigwa eliko nakia amagendero amangi gocha saba na inchi muri keto Daniel Ontiri nigakirana chinsembe chino gotwaleganira orobotiro kubwatia.
Yeah, 1 2 3 very good. Very good.
Gukwana chinga kichego chakia umurobelio bokwego kwa wechinguru chistima hasi chinyomba au hasi kenyero kyabokebo meya boronye kegotoka Kiogoro Nyalibali Chache hasi county ya Kisii wondai nigo chinga kicho haralia bene umurobelio we serikali bokwene kechinyomba chiri busato nechimisano chanyolire chinguru chiga nabuna ebese yabekirwe yokugendereria umurobelio yo
ndio sababu mwaka wa fedha huu Mheshimiwa Rais kupitia Bunge la Taifa ameweka pesa taslimu kwa bajeti shilingi 2.5 bilioni 2.5 katika hii kaunti ya Kisii kwa ajili ya kuunganisha stima kwa wananchi wa Kisii County karibu households 35,000 na katika hiyo pesa hii constituency ya Nyalibali Chache kupitia juhudi ya huyu mungwana Zahir hii constituency imepata karibu shilingi milioni 250 kuunganisha more than 3,500 households na hii ni mwaka huu peke yake. Tukiendelea mbele pesa zingine zitaongezeka kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais anataka ya kwamba ikiwezekana kila kijiji, kila boma na ikiwezekana zaidi kila nyumba iwe na stima.
Ase gikaro ekyo kiariganigwa n'umubunge w'ensemiyo Moske Zairi Janda na gekeranwa na barai au egati abo mokonyi b'umugavana we county ya Kisii Moske Lijo Bebo wandai nigo chinga kecho hawali bamenyi b'ensemiyo kogendera kumubotisia umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ase gangaya yo kogendereria magendero ase chinsemo au
Mheshimiwa Rais Daktari William Ruto ambaye pia ni rafiki wa karibu sana wa Mheshimiwa Zairi. Ni rais ambaye amekumbuka ya kwamba na ametambua ya kwamba wananchi wa Kenya hii, bila kujali sehemu ambao wanatoka, bila kujali kabila yao, bila kujali dini yao na bila kujali rangi yao, amesema ya kwamba wananchi wote wanastahili wapewe haki yao kimaendeleo.
Ekaro muliro kirwe wakati moto umewekwa bantu ba minto musijaribu bantu banza kuiba chiwaya ogaba iga barusi waya ya malibato wake kerere mwarama nganayo yakero muliro boke enyanse miyondera be kero monto bravo be nyomba erebuyago sere bobe
asense mwende Zairi nigo agokera umuroberio yo nabona noche kokonya asugusiria ibibeya asinyari bari chache.
Katika serikali ya Rais William Ruto haiwezekani watu wakae wakitumia koroboi, na mimi kama mjumbe nimesema mtu yoyote akipatikana anatumia koroboi unashikwa na chief unawekwa ndani. Hiyo ndio maneno tuko naye, si ndio?
Muroberio ongabunoiga nigubogo agenderigwa ase kinyuro kigena itambe na magaye ochakia okorosigwa gwepara yelami ase chinsemo au ase bongeyo unencheremo yokagenderero gwikarania chirarire tabamenyi chinga kialinge koligia korabu no mubonge kuriboterega taseni kyagetembe kurega ase county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Na mujumbe we county ya Kisii Moske Doris Aburi nigo aboliri egetambukire gatindi koimukirigwa bari bonse bakobwatiranirwa na mang'ana iyo kwengira na gutachira abana abanyarokanse anomono asanyaraka bakwandekia buna nigo abana abo magema baberega gusarigwa gwetera ase bikore bingebnebyo na nigo anyaraka bagagwana kunyunera nchire yokera nekimna aba bagwetera amakongwanga mnamu konyara bare abo ene bwabo Moske donyanigare ukonega chinsemo chia nyacheki asanyaraka ko aregania musangerekano bogosira gosomoro bogosira ebyombe anomono chinsemo chia subugo ime ye bunge ya Bobasi.
Kwa hivyo hii mambo wengine wana defile watoto wanaamka asubuhi wakienda shuleni, kuna shida kubwa sana. Wengine wanawapata kwa barabara 4:30 Kisii hakuna stima, watu wanaingia kwa shamba wana defile hawa watoto. Ndio mimi wanasema na hawa wa kudefile wanafaa wafinywe kabisa, ile utumie ile makasi kubwa wafanywe hata castration, sio kwa ubaya, because this is very wrong. Na cases za defilement tafadhali, because hapa Kisii watu wanafanya arbitration, mnakuja mnatafuta arbiter, mnakubaliana, mnasema hii kesi tuongee nyumbani, tupeane mbuzi, tupeane ng'ombe, na mtoto at the end of the day anaumia. La mwisho, mtoto mwenye amekuwa defiled, wacha kuambia shame on you. Shame on you should be on that person who has defiled. Eti aibu kwa huyu mtoto amedefile. Ako na aibu gani? Hakujidefile. Sasa mnamwambia shame on you namna gani? Na mnawacha victim akitembea. There should be no answer. There should be no justification. Mtu jibu ya defilement ni castration. Si tuanze kueleza kotini ukifumble. Ukipatikana ukishika mtoto mdogo, jamii fungiwa kule ndani mara moja.
Na umurika manase wizara ya Semi Moske Professor Julius Bitoki uyukirana ase umurobulio umujumbe we county ya Kisii bogosira byombe ase chinseme chichenya cheki nigana kiribuna serikali nigagendrete kobeka emirobelio na kwane kibuna abana ngonyoro bale chiseme chibwenerete Moske Bitoki boigoniga bolia aboro kigwa bonsi bali bataranda chisukuru banyagaba kwenda chisukuru goikali tuko lia Jumatatu.
Ni kazi kwa mara ya kwanza kwa miaka mingi serikali ya William Ruto pia imeweza kutuma pesa ya capitation kabla shule haijafunguliwa, kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais ameweka mambo ya elimu kibao mbele. mambo ya transition, watoto kutoka junior kwenda senior. Saa hii tukiongea na tumeongea na Mheshimiwa Migos ambaye anatoka hii county. Sasa hii ministry ni ama Julius Migos wa kwenyu na Julius Bitoko wa Uasin Gishu County. Wacha niseme hivi kwamba ili majuzi Mheshimiwa Rais hao wasichana wote 200 lazima warudi shule kutoka Jumatatu. Kama wako na uniform ama hawana, kama wako na pesa hawana, lazima warudi wapi? Shule. Warudi wapi? Hao wasichana wote lazima warudi shule. Nataka kuamrisha
boigo molikyo manne ase wisara jobwerera ni gose broadcasting omwasike Steven Sabo ko igerana ase omosangere grosso morbalio yo niganyara kaba gakoene kya buna serikali nigandrate koene kya magendero asichinsemo isebora ibwa omosike William Ruto boigo niganya kaba kaegwa gagosaba omosike Rutanyara kaba kaegwa libaga koendera nemirimo yaye ase boiga bolia mugavana bwe county ya Kisii omosike Paul Simbarati gosirwa nere ase emirimo yaye me county ya Kisii.
All parts of the county and the country. It's important that the digital cable is embraced because in fact people are doing a smaller scale farming. Also in terms of technology and agriculture. Just make sure we cover all those and everyone has a wasi or kurmasige. Masige rega tigange kyonyo. Masige east. Masige east mbo basiere. Muna mumai tembo basiere wete ko gaira mani ko nyango sunya cheki pakekana nyangiti mahate. Ntubone torega tigali. Ekalichi segichi akia gabereka ni jirjera mani. Ni numa roto renda kabisa mongo muna wahami na ndio manye ko babwati na watama atoma yego cha kurmahate. Muna mwewa ncheno mo principal secretary of broadcasting and telecoms ncheno mwano ino. Tigambata biga bana bima nsenyinge nchio. Tigambata biga. Inu muma ite chieri chikole magoze bano. Muma ite mane chieri. Bono yere mugondo neli ko William Ruto. Nere mugondo. Ego kolega zikobusere kabisa. Nere yagera tuache no Professor Pitok. Nere yagera tuache tu CP gaiga. Onye mande to konya bana baito. Na lero mpo bangatora sini niko bangatora sini. Mande to konya bana baito. Porque to kuate sia serikali ya bono. Egera toro mangana muna ya mama county aretire na mangana ande chipara chisukuru chinyagitari. Egera to konya ne abana baito be konya ke usebano. Arambe. Rais Ruto, asante sana na mnachua pia Governor Rati is also now with the president na ni kichana yetu ni mtoto wetu. So I really want to close here Mama County hiyo tutawapanga
na mwancho moligererio mojumbe we bunge ya Bonchari muske Dr. Charles Onjoke niga bolje kamati ya bunge litaneta mangana yo bolendi ko yenekie kwa soko mukie gatambukiro na gotuka na kabwato ka roboti igoro ya bakenya habo bagotumeka bana barwanesegi emergency ya Russia aya niga gocha amatuka make magiga ya bantu gosegati ya barwanesegi abo gosiria bagemabo yomobo oyore Clinton Nyapara mogasa kurumeye bunge eyo ya Bonchari yogotabekana osiretie obogemo bwa emergency ya Ukraine chinga kialengo irwanera ense ya Russia.
Charles Onjoke. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations regarding the reported coercion of 2 Kenyan citizens into military service in the Russian Federation. Honorable Speaker, on diverse dates in September 2025, Mr. Clinton Nyapara Mogesa, holder of passport number BK154412, and Mr. Justus Mayenda Ombati of passport number AK0515051622, both from Bonchari, traveled to Russia separately in pursuit of employment opportunities as security guards through the engagement of recruitment agencies. Upon arrival, however, they were allegedly coerced into signing contracts to serve in the in the Russian military, despite having no prior military training or experience. The two are said to have undergone a brief conscription training before being deployed to the front lines of the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. Honorable Speaker, it is reported that in November 2025, Mr. Ombati sustained severe injuries while at war and consequently was admitted to the DDT Pletna City Clinical Hospital Intensive Care Unit in Moscow. The family believes that Mr. Ombati is still at the said facility to date. Honorable Speaker, on 31st January 2026, Mr. Nyapara's family learned through social media that their son had perished in combat. To date, the family has not received any form of communication about the circumstances facing their kin. Honorable Speaker, this incident raised grave concerns about the safety and welfare of Kenyan citizens seeking legit.
Mwanjo murige ukiragwe toka na mutemo koma kego ime yeke onga chinsanya tokwiranta agwa tokagandra na manke gotoskocha.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito wigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyariko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeonga kiamamogusie.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Karibu mwanjo muligerelia sensemo ya kabere ye kionga chinsa inye moko nyumra iwense moske professor Abraham Githure Kindiki nigayana kiruna morobolio sha nigo ganta ko buja na bakanya bagani waganta kwelikia na nigo nyareka ba ga comment buna nigo serikali ego chikoenekia buna morobolio yo kwikirani ole amagania ye kolengana hamo na miroboli yo murai iwense moske William Samoei Ruto moske Kindiki nigale ko nanga chinga kyomirana na aba governor inse ya kiombe kama igetabuna IBEC wase kiryo kolata obwamate no kubwatana gati ya chi serikali chi county na boigo chi county na boigo serikali enene.
IBEC encourages the Ministry of Health, the COG and all stakeholders to keep the engagement and streamline all outstanding issues, and we hope that based on the reduction of the unpaid claims, which we are told has moved from 10 billion to 6 billion now, roughly, we hope that in the next meeting of IBEC, we'll get even better progress report. Gradually, Taifa Care is becoming universal, because one of the aspects of universality is in numbers. From 7 million in NHIF to now 29.4 million Kenyans. We are moving towards universality. If we can keep on increasing that space into 40 million, then truly we can say we have a universal healthcare program. So I think that is something that we should commend ourselves as a country. Secondly, that this program now has reached irreversibility. So we have to perfect it. We cannot reverse this. With all these Kenyans on board, we cannot imagine this program not working. It's not possible. It's like letting the whole country down on such an important issue.
Na hamwa chumuligeria sege kare kekyo no omogose omanyakaro gwe kyombe kya bagavana COG Moske Ahmed Abdullahi anyaga baga kwanira igoro yoko bagawa kosobo bagibwe chibesa go chiatse chi county omwako yiga asoboga nyaga baga kwanira miroboli ya serikali anno ji serikali chionsi je county nabo yiga serikali anene yoko gendera korwania omochando obumurakera uyobereko kwene kigwa ase chinsemo anne mono chinsemo chiri cha North Eastern.
This is a very important IBEC because this is where now the process of the division of revenue for this fiscal year 2026, for the coming fiscal year 2026-2027, which we all know is an election year, starts. Excellency, we note that Treasury has already submitted its proposal of an allocation of 420 billion to counties for the fiscal year 26-27 to Cabinet, and that I think was communicated as a communication from Cabinet. We also seized of the fact that the CRA has proposed a figure of 458, and as a council we'd also submitted to CRA, because we start by submitting our proposals to CRA, a figure of 534 with the build-up of through justifications for that number. On matters of drought, there's a lot of effort being made, but we need better coordination, I think, at the county level, so that when interventions, especially that touch on county functions, also come to the ground, the counties and national government ministries are better coordinated to synergize their joint effort. But we appreciate the interventions being made with respect to food ration, with respect to feeds. And for the feeds, as counties, we request that for a start, the holding of hay or livestock feed within the county be given priority for all.
Na mwanjo muligere kubatakana ngalero neri tukoli neri alengerio gochengera amangana ye radio ose World Radio Day asa mashabiki onse nabakorerie ase radio bakonyara koba bagokwanerwa amangi gose bakoinyura emiroberi nobuya bwe radio goche 7 umugumanire bwe county ya Nyamira homosike cyarusha mu manyi nganya ko bagokwanerwa byasanya ko bagakuganirya abonsi andomono abaliki nabakore mirimo ase radio abayigo amashabiki hama yachinga kabaganda gucengera litukeliga alia alero World Radio Day.
Mashima Jerusha Mumanyi na onde asaba mababo bali bago celebrate amangana yekireti cheito utangazaji ogoche sabantu one on one ikyayara abantu ababaito bago tutangazira nigo bara abantu bogukumya babakoreta amangana aikira abantu nonye nasi bali mugondo nonye nasi baraire nyumba nonye n'igisafari yekera bagutara tiyare epukonyora amangana kubasikireti bako ba uniform kigendere tasense ikenda tase binyoro ikenda tase county weta igopanyora abantu bamanyete naende nko abajireti ngo somikira abantu amangana ya batamanyiti tetwari kuba bekanganya site gabakonye ayale positive akogere country itekine ne binyoro bikine n'abantu bahita banyora amangana akogera bakine na barabwase bale nakumanya nki bagwendete gukora n'abantu uwa monona kibakorera family cyabo nakibakwerenda nakibakorera Kenya yabigere yemo nakibawukiri economy ro nakibakoreta mangana isikwase abakurumi bakororekana yani ibintu byose biragera Kenya bingiya igoto hotebya baralia babe bakobyala yani bakobikwanira erinda abantu baito babimanye
mwanchomo ligerelia tokatabanga api World Radio Day na intu na Gatembe TV asamo ya iria ye radio magata na Gatembe FM 102.7 toka na irumna omoligerelia Gatembe TV na nzashinde amategerelia Gatembe FM letukeligaliga ya chinga kiriko chikwera gwikira muna tokora mangana maya yekionga ijuma jinsa inye cheni ngongoro kwa ni toto nyangiri kuransa mema yalio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makole nsame ya transmission nigakoro DJ Atsan gose Kevin Ongeri nganda gotwara bulubyo ya ime ya Gatembe TV kionkia mamosi nabo gotwara gotkoya
Bagaka ninjo ninjo Gatembe ninjo darome ninjo mangana man ninjo bagina ninjo
ndigereti chababirato nkitata chababirato nkini kabyangarogoro nere magwa ukene kwana mu musiri yara kitali kabyange soyeto bikanga yaya ururu wangitira ngora tikuchire bintu bwangu Nto kuwate buge nto kigubori nto kuwate buna okirigo karake bwati na ndike geitono buya chababira tonkiri irangora chababira tonkini onyenge ndoto jokora ebe kango boronge kabiso mwenga no bwa dobe robite bikoro tamota kobeta maguta kobeta chababira tonkini kabiyanga rogoro mere magwa na mu usiyata to gorenda kine yone kware kote ya yarenda kabino richiere bintongora tiko kwaragere bintu nebinde mbiri byakoretera bokong namu gusiya tete nje kabireyo
Bagaka ninjo Gatembe ninjo darome ninjo mangana man ninjo bagina ninjo
ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyogenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwad Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi tobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayiboli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ikira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding ya kuruase Higher Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukia pekwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira bakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Nabono kumurekere wodi ya Bomariba nigo serikali ya county ya Kisii inse yo mugabana Paul Simbarati ya enekirio gukinigwa kwebirengo ase dispensary ya Entange na boigo dispensary ya Isamwera. Chipara ase wodi ya Bomariba boigo nigo chire libagali nene abamenyi bagokere tokoroisigwa wepara ya mugumo Park Street.
Kwa sababu ya hii Park Street yetu ya soko yetu ya Mugumo imechengwa, na hakika ilipochengwa tumeona tukiendelea vizuri. Kitu ambao hakiko katika hii Park Street yetu ya Mugumo ni mataa, tuko na giza sana.
Chipara chinde ngamo nelia ya liambeche lia somoni monchurulia obuali Isamwera amonelia ya Igonga Nyamagundo Kenyorora ejo ase nonyenabo abamenyi basabire para yende ase nsemeye elia magani abo ogwikiranigwa
ya ito ya Kasarani njabo atoboko ngubonge sana kurumaega gotware kwa kanso ko mugie kaza makwoiga muinali kwa sababu rangeti ekaza mayanga go gwakana ono rero ndoje ngambiere musiero tobekeiro moromo ya tubwatanire Kenya
epare korugonga gochikenyorora nero osiri
ngwetachire bono iga ndoje no omurayi oro egeti otemire mono sana igotiga tomweri bagakore gasi